Beginner-friendly FFMPEG app with GUI. No command line. Faster than Handbrake. Have some more additional perks. Needs some dependency. First, go to this GitHub page to download the main app, which is just a GUI, and then install it like normal. After that, you have to download some additional files, which is FFmpeg itself. And then, extract that 7-zip file. After that, copy the main .exe file. The other two are just optional. Paste that file into FFBatch.exe folder. As you can see, it came with preloaded presets and parameters. You can always type the parameters yourself, and then rename the title of preset. Don't forget to set the output format. And click Save. You might want to check if FFmpeg is located correctly. Click this middle button. This app also has Remuxing feature, like inserting subtitle files or multiple audio languages. Thank you for watching. If you have any question about FFmpeg, please write in the comment below.